Hi, I'm Kevin Bedgood, and I'm here to talk about the new Rikon 10622 variable speed scroll saw. 22-inch throat on this. It's got a huge 27.6 by 13.8 steel table, and this surface is really interesting. I'm not sure what this is, but they've done it in such a way that it's really smooth, almost slick. Now it takes standard 5-inch pinless blades. It's a 1.3 amp motor running on 110, 120 power. Variable speed, 360 up to 1550. That's spectacular. 3/4 inch stroke on it. The head tilts for angle rather than the table. So it'll tilt 30 degrees to the left, 45 degrees to the right. So the actual head moves, the table stays where it is. You've got your dust collection down here. There is a dust collection nozzle. You've got your blower nozzle, 36 holes around the main hole. That allows for better dust collection when you've got that set up, okay? There are accessories for this that are available also. There's a light, there's a stand specifically for it, and a foot switch. Now, if you need to change blades or fit it between the others, you loosen up here, bring the top up, it locks in place. You can change your blade, you can feed your blade through. There's a pin lock back here that I pull on, and the head drops back down. Put it back in there, and tighten it back up, and off I go. Nice little system that's set up, okay, locks that down real quick. It's also a very quiet motor. It's pretty amazing. It's a nice new machine.